driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes.
No, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues miles away. You always posting the pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside. Cold outside,
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll try, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. Yeah, I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll try.
Okay guys, I am back, and she is a classic beauty. Yes, she is. You guys, I absolutely love this look. I think it turned out beautiful, and I love pairing the green with this red lip. So the red lip that I used was the Too Faced Melted Matte, and this is Cinnamon Bear, and this was one in their previous little lip kits for the holidays thing. So this came in. And then also, of course, I used the Melt Makeup Smoke Station palette, which is beautiful and I absolutely love using. Now I also paired that with the Urban Decay Honey palette, which I love using on its own, but I just haven't reached for it lately. And I've got to start back reaching for these palettes, because like this palette is so beautiful, it's so creamy, and it really is like a very good everyday type of a palette. Now the other products I used in this makeup, my foundation I used was the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Luminous Matte Foundation in the shade Cinnamon, which is 440G. I like Huda's foundations. I'm just one of those person. I am a full coverage girl, and I love Huda products. Her palettes are really nice. Her glowish line is really nice. I don't have the glowish blushes, but the bronzer and that foundation is nice. I have this Huda foundation. I also have the Huda stick, and I love Huda products. Her palettes are usually very nice formula. She doesn't have like hits and misses in her palette line. As for the ones I have tried, all of her palettes work very, very well. And I use some of my classic products that I always use, my Chanel bronzer, my Chanel powder, and just the Pat McGrath blush, and Divine Rose, the Pat McGrath highlighter, and I think it's the Skin Fetish, it's the Divine Rose. I don't know, I'm looking at the wrong one. Let me see. It is the Golden Nectar. Absolutely love this highlighter, one of my fave highlighters. I really need to switch it out and start using something else, because you know, it's just the only one that I have up here in my little reach in box, so that's what I reach for. If you guys have any questions about any of the products I used today, comment down below. Just let me know. I'm not typically listing every product that I use in the description box and what shade it is, just simply because that takes a very, very long time. Oh well, I'll share that tidbit with you guys later. But anyways, Y'all know it's all love. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Bye bye.